Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to use TDengine's PI System connector. This is a way to integrate TDengine with PI System and get data either historical or real-time from PI into TDengine. First we'll log into the TSCB Explorer here using the default username and password, but you'll have to put in your own. We'll go to the Data In tab on the left, and we're going to add an agent first. The agent handles network connection between PI and TDengine if it's not available, for example due to a firewall or other reasons. You'll have to install the agent on your own computer first. It's already been installed here, and then put a name for it. Click Next, and there'll be endpoint and token information. You'll want to copy that. There's a copy button on the right there, and paste it into the agent configuration file. We're on Windows here, so that's located in the TDengine /CFG folder, and we'll just copy it right in here at the top. And you'll only want to have one of these, and you'll just go ahead and save that file once you've copied the configuration from Explorer. We can go ahead and close that now, and we're going to want to start the service. So go into services.msc, find Talos X agent, and start it. It should only take a second. You can go back to the Explorer now, click Next, and you can check the connection once the service has been started. And if that comes up as success, then you're good to go. You can click Finish. Now go on to add a data in task. We'll do Add Source on the far right, and we'll want to put it in as type. We're going to do backfill first. In this example, we're going to do backfill and real time. First, we'll go with backfill and put in a unique name here, but it can be anything you want. It's just the name of the task. Under the agent drop-down, pick the agent you just made, and under target, pick a database you've made for PI data. You can use an existing database, or if you don't have one yet, you can just click Create Database there, and you can use the default settings. Just put in a unique name. Under System Configuration, choose whether you want AF and Data Archive or just Data Archive. In this case, we're going to do just Data Archive. And the server is on the same machine as we're on right now, so we're going to do localhost for the address there. Click Check Connection to make sure that TDengine can connect over the agent to your PI data source, and scroll down under Data Model Configuration. You can choose between single and multi-column mode. We're going to do single column in this case, so there's one column in the super table for all the values. Download the default configuration, and we're not going to make any changes here, so it'll just be uploaded in the point configuration file settings. For backfill, we need to set a time to start backfill and time to end. So in this case, we're doing the data for December. It's going to choose December 1st to today, which is the 23rd, and then go ahead and start the task. When you refresh, you can see the status column is changed to running. That means backfill is happening right now. If you click View under Metrics, you can confirm that data is being received and processed into TDengine. There are multiple options you can see there. And once you refresh again, depending on how much you're backfilling, this is already completed here. It could take longer or a shorter time depending on how much you're backfilling and the speed of everything. Once that's completed, let's go and take a look at what we've got in our TDengine now. So we can see the data here under the test2 database that we've got from PI, and we're just going to query it to take a look. We'll just select everything, run that query, and in the grid below we can see all the different columns we've got here, the timestamp of each one, and the values and tags. Now that our backfill is done, we're going to add another data in task, and this time it's for real-time data. So under type, we're going to choose PI, not PI backfill, just PI. Add a different name. Each one has to be unique, but it can be anything you want. Right. And then under agent, we're going to pick the same agent as last time because it's the same PI deployment. Target is the same database as well. We're going to go back to PI data archive only. We're not going to do AF in this example, And once again, the Pi is on the same machine, so localhost. Click check connection. And the same single column mode as before with the default configuration. And now we're going to configure auto backfill. So this, in addition to real-time ingestion, it will also backfill a certain amount of time in the past. And that will help you in case there was a network connection error or something went down temporarily. We'll go ahead and turn that on for 1 hour in this case. Create the task, refresh, and we can see it's running now. And the metrics are here also. We can see messages and data that's been received and processed. There it is. Looks good. Now I'll go back to our database in the Explorer here and take another look. This time we're going to show the last row of data, which is the most current, the latest. So that's select last underscore row, parentheses, open and close. And we're going to turn off the limit. There's only one result for last row, so we don't need to limit it. When you run that, we can see the latest record is from the same minute. You can see on my computer now it's 5:03, and the last row is also from 5:03. So we can confirm that that is getting real-time data. And that's our overview of the TDengine Pi connector here. Hope this is helpful for you, and if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.